My name is Felipe.
My name's Evan.
We're here in the Smart Lab to show you how to set up your 3-day mag.
So this is what you'll be receiving in the mail from us. First of all, your 3DM or 3-day magnetometer. This is the device we use to measure perturbations in the magnetic field due to the eclipse. Second of all, most of you will be receiving an analog power source. You can use it to plug in the 3DM, supplying you with wall power. Some of you will be receiving a power bank instead. So what you'll need to do is use this cord to charge it up and this cord to plug in to your 3-day mag. And finally, for those of you who were not able to provide us with a Wi-Fi source, we gave you these mobile hotspots. You can use these to connect your 3DM to the internet pretty much anywhere.
Inside the enclosure that you'll be receiving is our 3-day mag system, which consists of the Raspberry Pi. That is the computer that we use to receive the signals from the RM3100, which is our magnetometer that measures the magnetic field during the solar eclipse. And then the Raspberry Pi will be transmitting those signals to our live GUI.
So right now you can see the 3DM collecting some data. Because we're in the lab, which has really bad Wi-Fi, we're using one of these hotspots right now. So if you have a hotspot, you should definitely power this on and wait for these 3 lights to be turned on white before you turn this on. But to turn on the 3DM, it's pretty simple. You just plug it into your power source. You can verify that it's turned on by looking inside through this little window we've got. You'll see a green light turned on, indicating that power is being received. And then if you come in here, you can see our data display. This shows the current magnetic field data at this location. So you can see in real time, we're getting in new data points. Now, if I rotate the 3-day mag like this, then you should see a change in 2 of the axes right there. You see a change in the magnetic field because the RM3100 sensor has been rotated. Or if we rotate it like this, the data is gonna go kind of haywire, because the direction is changing and the magnetic field is going through a specific direction. But what you should do is orient this appropriately with the north point of the compass pointing north and with this level. That way we'll get accurate data and your data won't look like this.
All right, thank you guys so much for helping us out. Hopefully with this experiment, we can learn more about how a solar eclipse affects the magnetic field of the Earth.
UCLA thanks you for your participation in this experiment, and we hope there's not much cloud cover in your region.